Here I want to show you how to create your own chatbot. Now let us take what is API. API is an application program interface which connects two applications to talk to each other. Then what is the use? Let me say, when you have a mobile phone, when you click on some button, it gets information to you. That API is the thing which requests the server for the information what you want and gets it to your mobile. That's what API is. Let me give you an example. When you go to a restaurant, you order some food and request the waiter to get that food. Here, waiter acts as an API. He goes to the kitchen, which is acts as a database, and get back to you, delivers the food. Here, waiter acts as an API. That's what API is. Then what is Dialogflow? Dialogflow is a natural understanding platform which is developed by Google. Is used to develop your own chatbots. You can even develop your own mobile apps. You can integrate with your mobile app. You can integrate with your mobile applications. Things you can do using Dialogflow. Then what is Dialogflow? Then Dialogflow is understand multiple languages, take an input, and perform various actions you want to do, and it can respond as your custom. That's what is the use of Dialogflow. Since it's a practical session, in this session, we are going to develop your own Telegram bot and how to integrate with your Flutter application. Let's start this. A chatbot with Dialogflow Quick Labs. Those who have GCP account, please go through the console. Those who have Quick Labs with 9 credits can wait for some time. Those who not have Quick Labs account and those who have 0 credits don't have 9 credits can do setting up Jenkins on Kubernetes Engine Labs so that you'll be getting a 1 month free subscription. I will show you how it looks. Yeah, this is how it looks. Setting up an Kubernetes engine with Jenkins. By doing this lab, you can get 1 month free subscription. It's free so that you can do it, and this is only for 20 marks so that you can do it within your 5 minutes. By doing this, by the end of this lab, you'll be getting a 1 month free subscription. Once you got the free subscription, go to this quick lab implementing an AI chatbot with Dialogflow. This is how it looks, implementing an AI chatbot with Dialogflow. So that you can build your own chatbot here and you can integrate with your Telegram application and knowing how to integrate with your Flutter. I hope everyone has started their lab. And once go to click on Open Cloud Console, you'll be navigating to this tab. You can log in this with the following credentials with your username and password which is given here. It will look similar like this. Yes. Now go to API services and library. Search for Dialogflow. API and enable it. Meanwhile, you can go to another tab and go to Dialogflow homepage. I will keep that link in chat box. You can see there. Yeah, please go through this link. Log in with the same account. Log in with the same account. Log in with the same account. Use the same password. Okay. Then you will be redirected to this page. Just accept the terms. Okay. Next, you need to create an agent. Click create agent. Let me give one name. Come on. DSC KLEF. You can give any name. I'm giving DSC KLEF. And here, go to your project ID. Quick Labs. It will be shown to you. Click on that and click on create. Then it will be creating an agent for you. It shows similar like this. This is default intent type hi. You can see this is the default page. You can just create your own intent. Click on create intent and your intent name. Make sure you're giving the same name is given by me, name dot reservation. Because I'm giving this name, I will tell you later. Make sure you give this the same name and click on save. Yeah, okay. Then here you can start add training phrases. You can give your own training phrases. For example, hmm, I want to be a member of BSCKL here. Now you can give any, more than one. I want to be a part of BSCKL here. You can give many and go to, and you can do many responses. You can give I want to be a part of BSCKL here, I want to be a member, I want to be a core member. You can give any training phases and go to here response. Go to response page and click sure. You can be a part of DSCK here. Not only this, you can give many. You can be a part of DSCK here. Thanks for attending. Okay, you can be a part of DSCK. You click on save. And try this similar thing. Hi, hello, you're welcome. And I want to be a part of DSCK here. Okay, you can be a part of DSCK. Then go to intent, click on intents. Not only this, we can extend it. Click on add follow-up intent. Click on custom. Name dot reservation custom and rename it. Rename it with name dot reservation get name. Make sure you give the same name so that we'll not be facing any issue further. Click on save. Then here you can see action parameters. Here you can give your own if you want to expect something input from the user and you want to save it. You can do this. You can add you can something here. I'm going to name entity. What's the entity type? Entity type is name. Click on given name and what's the value? Value is name. And name value is nothing but an ID. And click on it, click on check it, and you will be something like this. Click on that, and you can give what's the question, what is your name? What is your name? Then close it. Then you can get another thing, name, and next thing is ID. ID is integer type, number integer, and give it an ID. register number. You can close it, and you can add one more thing. Year, year is nothing but it can be any. I mean, it's an integer, right? And it's a number, and you can add as well year and year of study. You can close it. Not only this, you can give many things. You can save it. Come to text response. Thanks. You name. Thanks, Hemant, for attending session. Make sure you do this. Then you click on save and click on hi. Yeah, I want to be a part of developer club. Sure, you can part. Okay. Wait a minute, wait a minute. Oh, okay, I forgot to give this. Name, click on name. Since you are giving the input simultaneously without accepting any, click on name type. Click on add. Make sure you do this. Now click on save. No, try again. Hi. Okay. I want to be a part of the Developer Club. You can be part, yes. And I'm giving my name. Register. Next is register number. Next is year of study. Okay, thank. It's going to save your values. Okay, creating a bot is not to just create a bot, and we can learn how to integrate with a database. It's very easy. I'll show you. I'll go to first of all go to integrations. Here you can see where you can integrate with your Google Assistant. You can integrate it with your Telegram. You can deal with the web application. I will show you first. I will show you how to integrate with the web application. Click on it. We show you similar things. Click on that. You'll be redirected to this page. Ask something. Hi. Yes. Then I want to be a part of. I want to be a part of DSC career. Yeah. We'll give you a similar response like this. And so that you can integrate with the web applications. Go to OK. This is what. And you can integrate the Telegram application. Yeah. And one more thing, you can export or import your file. Click on the settings icon. You can go to this page. Click on export and import. If you want to export your intent, you can click on export as a zip file. You can see zip file is downloaded. If you want to import, already you have created some intent and you want to import it, just click on import from your zip and select a file. Just click on the intent, what you want to import, and OK, import. Yeah, agent started. It's done. You export event with intents. Here you can see your new intent. That's it. Here's how you can export or import. So that you can save your intent file. First, let me show you how to integrate with Firebase. I mean Cloud Firestore. First, go to your fulfillment, click to disable. Once click on deploy button. This what we're doing is we are going to connect it to your cloud functions. Here you can see it's going to build. Okay. Before once, okay, it takes some time before it's going to deploy it. Go to this link. It will redirect you to this page. Copy it. This is the command. Don't be panic. This is just a command which tells to store the data to your Firebase Cloud Fire Store. Copy it. Then go back to your still creating. Go back to your Dialogflow console. Okay, successfully deployed. Here you can see Cloud Functions is deployed successfully. Then first you go to your Firestore. Yeah, Firestore. Go to Firestore. Data. Using something like this. Select native mode. Select location. You can choose any location. I'm using Europe. Create a database. Here you can see. Here you can paste the code which you previously copied. It seems similar like this. Don't be panic with the code. I will explain you. Here you can see name and new name. What you are given, you just gave name. You can do this. Follow. I think you are following me. Name and you give your name here because you previously are given the ID as name. You can see configurations. Yeah, here you can see name, ID, and year. The same thing you are to give there. And one more thing, go to fulfillment and enable webhook call for the intent and click on save. Make sure you do that. Click on save. Yeah, then go to back to fulfillment. Yeah, this is the code. Then click on here. Just it's a name, ID. We have given just ID there. ID. Next, the thing we gave is year, not year. Make sure you do this. And go to here. You can see registration number, not registration number. You can change this to ID. That's it. Once you done that, go to package or Johnson. Go to top below, and here you can see. Go scroll down. Here you can see this. Copy it. Go back to your cloud console. Replace with Firebase admin with this. I think it's clear. Then click on deploy. Meanwhile, it's going to deploy. Go to data. Okay, it's created. Then click on start collection. You can give your collection ID as reservations because you can see here I have given this reservations as a collection name. Thus, you can give reservations and collector ID is yours. I'm giving hardware and its name, its string type, and value. I'm giving just name and add field. What the field you're going to add is ID. It's not its integer type, number. Then click it 0. Then add field. Its next is year. It's also an integer type. It's 0. I click on save. Hope you are getting me. That is going to store like this. And how to do it automatically? Okay, still deploying. Deploy. Once go back to intents and check your given name, ID as number, and check whether you have enabled it or not. It's important. Okay, let's try it. Click on hi. Okay, all right. Okay, I want to be a part of DSC earlier. Next, your name as consultant and registration number for everyone. Year of study, third year. Okay, contact. Okay, I have updated. Here you can see it's going to store. Click on it. These are the data you are giving. Then let us try how to integrate with your Telegram application. Go to integrations, integrations, click on Telegram. Okay, you need to place your Telegram ID. What further? Here it is, and here click start it. Start. Yes. Once you start it, it will show similar like this. You need to create a new bot, right? Then click on type new bot. Alright, a new bot is going to call it. Please choose the name you want to call. I'm going to call it as BSCKL. Yeah, yeah, good. Okay, next name it. Name your bot. BSCKL bot. Already I have created BSCKL 123 bot. Yes, it will be providing you this key ID. Make sure you make it private. Go ahead and paste it here and start. Yeah, you see that your bot was started. Then close. Go to Telegram. Search for BSCKL. Yeah, 123 bot. That's it. Click on start. Hi. Yeah, how can I assist? I want to be a part of BSCKL here. I want to be a part of BSCKL. Yeah, you can be. Here you can give your name as Hemant. Okay, what is your registration number? 1800304. I'm giving some other number, right? Like 100. Already I given the registration number 1000. Yeah, year of study. It's third year. Okay, I have updated. Now you can see. Go to data file store. Yes, you can see that it's going to store in your file store. That's how you can create your Telegram bot. It's simple, right? Yeah. Now you can create your own Flutter application. Those who have installed Android Studio, go to this link and download this repository. Once you download, you can see similar like this. You can see your home page. Before you need to do one thing. Here you can see you need to get your key, your own key ID. API services, go to credentials. Yeah. Okay, you need to create one credential. Create a credential. A service account. Service account name, any name. Yes, I made myself. And okay, let's create it. Then select a role. Hmm, project owner. You can give anything. Continue. Yeah. Once done, just click on done. Yeah, You can see your name here. Yeah, here it is. Click on it. Click on add key. Create new key. Once I'm repeating you. Click on add key. Create new key. It's in its form of JSON. Then create. Yeah, it's going to download here. Then you need to paste it. So in folder, you can see here it is. Go to your Android Studio. There is a class. Yeah, you can drag it. Go to your Android Studio and place it in assets file. Click on OK. This is your project. Quick Labs GCP assets and paste it here. Yes. Now go to your subject.yal file. Yes. And you can do the similar thing. Here you can see you can replace this with your project key. Then click on forget so that it will getting the permissions. Yeah, it's successfully done. Once you complete that, you can run it on your mobile application. Just I will show you. Next, just connect your mobile device and click on run. This is how you can create your own Telegram bot or your own Flutter application. Thanks for attending. I hope you love it.